Whoa! Morning, sports fans. Thought it was about time we did a friggin' new YouTube video. If you've been following me on socials, I have bought a new van and I'm on a mission to turn it into the most, well, I say the ultimate girly motor van. Now, first stop on the agenda today, I've been waiting a few weeks for these, are some custom seat covers. I'm not going to give you any hints, but I am on my way to go and get them fitted today. So, I'm very excited. So, made it. I have come up to the guys at Individual Auto Design up in Wigan, and they are going to start the first part of my girly transit transformation, if you like. And they're going to be fitting me some custom seat covers today. So yeah, come and check it out. I look bags out. Oh no, I don't realise you can hear me talking. So here's all the different options you can get, all the different stitch colours. Like, I think, where did I go for? I think it was this one. I don't know if you can see it on there. But yeah, there's literally everything. Everything and anything you want on a van seat, or a car seat for that matter. They can do it. Right, mate, come on, get these seat covers on. Kel.
Is that it? Yeah. Shut up! Oh my god.
Stop it. Oh my god. They are sick. I reckon you got that as a hat easy.
Yeah, go on, try it on as a hat.
I can't put it on as a hat. Start pulling it over somewhere. If you start pulling it over somewhere what's not, then what will happen?
It'll fret.
You'll stretch it. So you don't want it making anything like that.
Oh my god, look at that. That's so good. Love that. Oh my. No. Right, that's driver's seat done. I said I wouldn't come and look, but I'm gonna. No, wait, Soph, wait. Right, they're finished. Oh my god. They are sick. Only middle bit. Look. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god, mate, they are sick. Aren't they good? Yeah. Oh mate, I'm fucking buzzing with them. What? They are bad boy. My seat covers all done. I am so freaking happy with them. Like, the guys absolutely smashed it. They nailed the brief. That's what I wanted to do. So next up, the part 2 of building van stuff. But yeah, gonna be heading over to the guys at Van Style, and they are gonna be doing some trick bits to the motor van.